To troubleshoot an E-TRADE rollover IRA, start by understanding what a rollover IRA is. A rollover IRA allows you to transfer funds from a previous employer-sponsored retirement plan to an individual retirement account. First, ensure you have all necessary documents and information, including your E-TRADE account number, the type of account you are rolling over from, and the account balance. Next, log into your E-TRADE account and navigate to the IRA transfer section. Here you will find options to initiate a rollover, either by transferring funds directly from your previous employer-sponsored plan or by using a distribution check. If you encounter issues during the rollover process, check that all information is accurate and up to date. Verify your account details, including your name, address, and social security number. Common issues that may arise during the rollover process include incorrect account information, insufficient funds, and missing documentation. To resolve these issues, contact E-TRADE customer support for assistance. It is also important to consider the tax implications of a rollover IRA. E-TRADE will typically withhold 20% of the distribution for federal income tax, unless you choose to have the funds directly transferred to your IRA account. To avoid any potential penalties or fees, ensure you follow the 60-day rule, which requires that you deposit the distribution into your IRA account within 60 days of receiving the funds. In conclusion, troubleshooting an E-TRADE rollover IRA requires careful attention to detail and a clear understanding of the rollover process. By following these steps and considering key concepts, such as tax implications and account information, you can successfully resolve any issues that may arise during the rollover process.